Hey there, how's it going? Are you looking at this HapAttend Time Clock? My name is Kim and I was honored to receive this product in exchange for an honest review. I absolutely love it, so let's get to it and talk about it. So this is actually the new upgraded model of the HapAttend Time Clock. We've been using our other model for about a year. I absolutely love it. We're a small family-owned business, so we have 4 employees. This is great for finger punching in and out. It saves my life with payroll. It's just such a huge benefit to our company, and I love that you buy this machine one time and you never have to pay for anything again. It doesn't even go on Wi-Fi, so it's super secure. It just downloads all of the punches based on the date and time, and then it gives you an Excel sheet so that you can look it up. So let's go ahead and get this installed, add my husband as an employee, and show you how it works. So here are all the parts that come in the box. It's a 2-prong plug. Plugs right in to the bottom here. And then here's the time clock with the finger punch. Now you can install it one of 2 ways. You can put it to the wall or you can mount it on the desk. It comes with an Excel report and a USB. So here is the USB. You plug that right in. And it comes with 5 punch-in cards. So you can either use your finger or the punch-in cards. But I absolutely love that once you get it set up, there's no additional fees. It's all inclusive and it will go ahead and pull whatever report for date range that you're looking for. So here we are all plugged in. I do want to mention that this does support multiple languages, time adjustment, daylight saving. So you can set everything if you want it 12 hours or 24 hours. The only thing that you have to do is the day cutoff time. So here we are installing a new user. You just go to new user, you type in the name. So here my husband is typing in the name Matt. We're gonna go ahead and save that. And then the next drop down is for the finger. So it gives you a series to put your fingers on. So now that our first employee is all set up, we're gonna do the time and punch. Now, just to note, the default punch interval is 5 minutes, and you can punch in and out as many times a day as you want. Now we're gonna pull a report for punches. So as you can see on the menu, you click on the report tab, you select your date range. Start report, yes. And then you just pull the little USB out. Here is a sample time card report. So it'll show the date range that you're looking at, the days of the week, when they're in and out. It totals it for each day here, the work time totals for the week, and then it shows if we're having any missing punches. So that is how the report will show up. So I hope that my video review was helpful and informative for you in making your next purchasing decision. If you are in need of a time clock for your small business, I highly recommend this one. It is trusted, tried, and true, and it has been great to us for over a year. Have a great day.